Dear students, today I am taking this topic extraction of copper. டாபிக் போகிறதுக்குள்ளால் இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்ததுன்னா லைக் பண்ணுங்கள், ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள், மறக்காமல் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள். ஓகே, சரி, டாபிக் போகலாம். Extraction of copper. This copper is obtained from this nature state as well as combined state. First step, ores of copper. First one, copper pyrite, CuFeS2, sulfide of copper. Second one, cuprite or ruby copper, oxide of copper, Cu2O. Copper pyrite, copper glans, sulfide of copper, Cu2S. The chief ore of copper is copper pyrite. First step, concentration. The ore is crushed and powdered and concentrated by froth flotation process. Second step, roasting. You take the concentrated ore and roast it by passing excess of air. This large amount of air is passed for this roasting. Moisture is removed. If water is present in this ore, then these water molecules are removed. Volatile impurities like sulfur, phosphorus, arsenic and antimony are removed as their respective oxides. Okay, volatile impurities means easily vaporized. Okay, they are easily vaporized as their respective oxides. Then this copper pyrite ore is partially converted into sulfide. This sulfur goes into copper to form copper sulfide, and this sulfur goes into iron to form iron sulfide, and this sulfur goes into this oxygen to form sulfur dioxide. The next step, smelting. You take the roasted ore and add powder coke and sand in a blast furnace. Blast furnace means it is an instrument used for smelting process. Okay, so this blast furnace contains roasted ore, powder coke and sand and heated. Then this sulfide of copper and sulfide of iron are combined to form matte. Fourth step, Bessemerization. You take this matte in a Bessemer converter. Okay, Bessemer converter means that is an apparatus used for Bessemerization. Then this sulfide of iron and sulfide of copper are present in this matte. Okay, first one, this sulfide of iron reacts with oxygen to form, this oxygen goes into iron to form ferrous oxide, and this sulfur goes into oxygen to form sulfur dioxide. Then this ferrous oxide reacts with the sand. Sand means silicon dioxide or silica. Okay, so this ferrous oxide reacts with sand to form ferrous silicate. Ferrous silicate, that is called slag, FeSiO3. FeSiO2 plus O1. O3. Okay, FeSiO3, that is slag. Slag is removed as waste. Then this matte contains sulfide of copper. This sulfide of copper reacts with oxygen. This oxygen goes into copper to form copper oxide, and this sulfur goes into oxygen to form sulfur dioxide. Then this copper oxide and this copper sulfide are combined to form this copper, and this sulfur goes into oxygen to form sulfur dioxide. Okay, then you get this copper. This copper is known as blister copper. Blister copper. Blister copper means it contains 98% pure copper and 2% impurities. Okay, so this pure copper is obtained by removing the impurities. Okay, then these impurities can be removed by using this process, electrolytic refining. For this electrolytic refining process, remove the impurities, then you get pure copper. Okay, for this electrolytic refining, you take this cathode, thin plate of pure copper metal, and this anode is a block of impure copper metal. Impure copper. Okay, impure copper is anode and this pure copper is cathode. And this electrolytic solution, copper sulfate plus sulfuric acid. Copper sulfate plus sulfuric acid. Okay, then you pass the electric current. Pass the electric current. This pure copper, this copper sulfate dissociate into copper 2 plus and SO4 2 minus. Okay, this plus goes into this minus cathode. Okay, so this pure copper deposited at this cathode and this impurities are deposited at this anode. That is called anode mud. Anode mud. Okay, then this pure copper is 100% purity. Okay, so that is the extraction of copper. Okay, thank you.